She did everything right. She worked hard, avoided unnecessary spending, and put a piece of every paycheck into her savings account. She did this for 10 years, 20, 30 years. Her savings account grew, but financial freedom felt just as distant as it did on day one. What if the advice you've been following was only half the story? Most of us see money this way. Income comes in, we spend some, and we save the rest. That saved money sits, waiting. It's a safety net, an essential buffer for security. But it is not wealth. Wealth is different. Wealth is created when that saved surplus is put to work. Think of your savings like cash sitting inside a glass jar. As the years pass, the amount of cash stays the same, but the prices of everything around it, food, housing, life, slowly rise. This is inflation, the silent erosion of your purchasing power. Having more dollars doesn't necessarily mean you have more buying power. Your job is active income. You trade an hour of your life for a set amount of money. When you sleep, that income stops. But ownership is different. A business, a stock portfolio, a rental property, these are assets that can continue to generate economic value even when you're not actively working. It's not about effortless riches, it's about shifting from trading time to owning things that can grow. This is where compounding comes in. A small amount invested is like planting a seed. Over time, it can grow into a tree that produces its own seeds, which can then grow into more trees. The real power isn't finding a magical investment, it's giving your capital enough time to multiply. So the real mindset shift isn't just, how can I save every dollar? It's, how can I create a surplus, protect myself from shocks, and gradually convert that surplus into productive assets? Saving protects the money you have, but wealth begins when your money starts working alongside you. So I'll leave you with this. If your income stopped tomorrow, how much of your financial life would keep working without you?